The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, a masterpiece of modern aviation. With Air New Zealand, it becomes more than just an aircraft. It is a gateway to breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable journeys. From the moment it takes flight, the Dreamliner delivers quiet power and unmatched efficiency. Its elegant black and white livery reflects the spirit of New Zealand, a nation of beauty and strength. Inside, passengers experience comfort, space, and a touch of Kiwi hospitality. Across oceans, across time zones, the 787 carries people closer to adventure and closer to home. Air New Zealand's Dreamliner, innovation in the sky and a true symbol of connection.
Roger, New Zealand 112 tree. New Zealand 112 tree, contact San Juan Center on 128.65. Good day. 128.65, New Zealand 112 tree.